Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be fleeking out this bob wig from Geniuswigs. So the first thing that I'm doing right now, I'm just going to be moving the hairs out the way with my hot comb. I'm now going to be parting the hair and defining my part with my hot comb. Once again, you guys, this is a bob lace front wig from Geniuswigs. And I'm just taking my wax stick and I'm just going over the part, getting it to, I wouldn't say the middle because I don't think my hair is ever in the middle. But I'm getting it to be as in the middle as I think I can be. So anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and pin the wig down, and then I'm going to blow it out with my blow dryer. Once I've blown it out with my blow dryer, I'm going to begin flat ironing it, and then I'm going to start cutting it. So go ahead and continue watching. And if you guys are wondering for the orange spray, that is my BTZ. Look at my double chin. That is my BTC heat protection spray. And I'm going to be cutting off the lace extra because I don't want it messing up my eyebrows. Now that I've finished flat ironing it, I'm going to begin cutting it with my eyebrows, and I'm just using some basic shears that I got from Sally's. I'm just going ahead and cutting the bob. So I did stop using scissors, and I went ahead and got my boyfriend's clippers because it cuts the hair more clean and way faster. So I'm going in with his clippers instead. So go ahead and watch me cut. Alright guys, so this is how the bob is looking. I personally feel like I cut it too short, but to be honest, I always cut it too short, so I knew what was gonna happen. I did start off using scissors, but I got a cleaner look when I used a razor. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I don't even know what they're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and begin applying the wig on. So first thing I'm gonna do is cut around my ears. I'm gonna try to leave a lot of sideburns out because I want some nice sideburn baby hairs. And she was like, ooh, I cut up too high. I feel like I did, but whatever. And then I'm gonna take this out because I do only have one. I'm not gonna look for the other one. And I'm just so I cut that piece off, and both go around my ear pretty nice. I don't have my super hot flat iron, and I do not have my super quality hot comb, so we're gonna do what we can do with what we got. Just adjusting that to my forehead, being that I did kind of cut it too short. I can't pull it up as front to my forehead as I would like, as I usually do, but I can pull it up front enough. Come here, piece of lace. So yeah, my forehead's gonna be pretty small still. I'm gonna do from here to here, and then I'm gonna, you know, I'm just gonna be splitting it up into some sections today, no biggie. So I'm just dropping that down to like right here, and just letting that air dry. I'm gonna be putting 2 coats on each section that I do. Come on, like all my little glues is finishing. That's probably because I've been using like all of them at the same time. I use bold hold on one section, and then I use fucking whatever that shit called. Alright y'all, so this is how the bob is looking. So I am wearing, I think it's about a 14 or 16 inch wig. This is a lace front wig with a long part, and this is hair from Geniuswigs. It's a nice wig company. From the looks of this wig, this is my first time actually working with them, and I can honestly say that they do have good quality hair. As y'all can see, like, this must be like an HD lace or transparent lace, but it's like melted, like it's melted. Okay, it blends perfectly in with my scalp. It looks so good. I did cut my bob a little too short, but to be honest, I kind of like it like this. Like, I like it, so I'm gonna keep it like this and rock it out. I'm so not used to wearing short hair. As you guys see, every time I come on my channel, I usually have like 30-inch, 40-inch hair. Like, I always have long hair, but you know, it's time for a little something. It's the new year. I need to start getting out my comfort zone, rocking new colors, you know. So comment down below anything you guys want to see me try. If you guys want to see me, a lot of companies have been asking me to review pixie cut wigs, and I always say no because I don't wear shortcuts. But I don't know, like, it's a new year. Like, I'm ready to get out my comfort zone. I'm ready to try new things. I'm ready to see what's up, what is good. So yes, comment down below things you guys want to see me try and stuff like that, and make sure you guys check out Geniuswigs for bomb affordable quality. You don't even, like, this is where the lace is right here, and you can't see it. Like, I have a little string of hair right there, but then that's it. Like, you cannot see no lace. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you love the bob. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Bye.